gluten-free options is one of the huge things in our food industry these days. Celiac diseases and all those things. We have lentil pastas. We have meatless marinara, but with the plant-based protein. We have plant-based protein options, different type. Not only the protein we buy, because that has lots of sodium in it, but we try to add our own twist, our own plant-based, like lots of different type of lentils. I use pink lentil, green lentil, black lentil, that also called beluga lentil, and also all kinds of lentil, bean, chickpeas. We have falafel on Monday that we do scratch cooking, and hummus. Those are the great dishes that we have. People really love it, and then we get lots of compliment from our teammates.